Today on Unboxing the Magic, we're at the Magic Kingdom and we're going to ride a classic, It's a Small World. It's a Small World is a classic ride. It's one of the original opening attractions, not only at Disneyland in California, but also here at the Walt Disney Resort here in Florida. If you've already visited the Walt Disney World Resort Magic Kingdom, you've probably already ridden this beloved ride. And if you haven't been here before, you definitely don't want to miss riding this classic, It's a Small World. And although it's gone through several upgrades in the past, you almost wouldn't notice it on this timeless classic. I've always loved riding It's a Small World. When I was a little kid, I rode it for the first time, and I fell in love with this ride. Probably everybody who rode it for the first time did. And as you get older, you always think back on that, and that's part of what I think makes this ride a classic. It becomes part of our memories. Actually, one of the things I enjoy a lot about the Magic Kingdom are all the different people that you meet. I mean, look at all these people in the queue line. They're from all over the world, just like on this ride, It's a Small World. Look at all the coins in the water. Each one of those represents a wish. What a better place to make a wish than at the Magic Kingdom, where wishes can come true. You get to ride through all the different countries of the world, listening to that wonderful song that we all know. I know you know it too.
It's a small world after all. It's a small world after all.
You can't get it out of your head. You know, I never can hear that song enough. So as you can see, It's a Small World is a gentle boat ride. So it's great for the whole family. It's great for little kids. It's great for us older kids too. Let's get on the boat and ride, shall we? All right, looks like we're going to be in the front row.
And please watch your children. Thank you. Bienvenidos. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del barco. Y cuide de su ayuda. se detenga en el muelle y se retire a observante. Gracias. Please remain seated until the boat comes to a complete stop at the dock and you are asked to disembark. Thank you. Por favor, permanezca sentado hasta que el bote se detenga en el muelle y se retire a observante. Gracias.
Welcome back, Royal Travelers. Please exit to your right and watch your step.
That ride is a classic. We all remember it from our childhoods. If you've never been here before, it needs to be a part of your childhood, or at least your first visit. That song is going to stay in your head for the rest of your life. And so will the Magic Kingdom. I hope anyway. This is a great place. So when you're at the Magic Kingdom, come all the way to the back of the park in Fantasyland. Definitely take a little bit of time. Right, it's a small world. Experience the classic, be a part of the classic. The Haunted Mansion has a ghost follow you home. Here, the song will follow you home.